Hey, guys, hope you're doing well. Today I show how you make unlimited AI videos for free. Now here we go. Firstly, follow my step. Go to ChatGPT and follow my steps. Now we have our prompt to make an image. So bring on it on Leonardo AI. Wait, as you see, I have around 1 billion of credit in Leonardo AI. If you want this version, then contact me. I will provide it to you. Now, copy my setting and do as I do. So we have those images. Now go to ChatGPT and ask for image to video prompt. Now copy the prompt and go on Google AI Studio and copy my settings. And press enter. Wow, you got a fresh video in 4K. Now you can generate different type videos like the same way.